Conquer the Gravity Puzzle. A journey into logic and fun. Ever wonder how to keep young minds entertained while boosting their brain power? Finding a toy that's both fun and educational can feel like chasing an impossible dream. Most games offer entertainment without substance or learning without engagement. Enter the ThinkFun Gravity Maze, a brain game that flips the script. Kids crave excitement, and parents want to see their children grow intellectually. Can one toy deliver on both fronts? Gravity Maze dares to solve this problem, offering a vibrant world of marble runs and logic puzzles that spark curiosity and build skills. Gravity Maze isn't just another board game, it's a STEM-packed adventure. Combining the thrill of a marble run with the challenge of logic puzzles, this game stands apart. Featuring 60 challenges of increasing difficulty, it adapts to every player's level, ensuring endless replayability. Whether you're a beginner testing your skills or a puzzle master seeking your next conquest, Gravity Maze keeps you engaged. Unlike other toys that fade into the background, its multidimensional gameplay stimulates the mind while captivating the imagination, making it the ultimate solution for curious minds. What makes Gravity Maze a must-have? Its ability to merge entertainment with education. Each challenge hones spatial reasoning, logical thinking, and problem-solving, all critical skills for young learners. Crafted with durable materials, the game withstands years of exploration. Unlike toys that gather dust after a few uses, Gravity Maze remains fresh, offering new puzzles and challenges every time you play. Its compact design and clear instructions make it accessible, eliminating frustration and delivering instant fun. This isn't just a game, it's a long-term investment in learning and laughter. Imagine guiding a marble through a maze you've constructed, each step testing your ingenuity. Gravity Maze brings this vision to life, offering a tactile and visual experience unlike any other. Perfect for solo play or family game nights, it bridges generations, creating memories and building connections. For homeschoolers, it's a go-to resource that aligns with STEM learning objectives. With every challenge solved, confidence grows, making it more than a toy, it's a gateway to discovery and success. The journey doesn't end, it evolves. With Gravity Maze, there's always another puzzle to solve, another skill to sharpen. Say goodbye to boring toys and hello to a world of infinite possibilities. Whether you're looking for a thoughtful gift, an engaging educational tool, or simply a fun activity, Gravity Maze delivers. It's the perfect answer to the question: can learning and fun truly coexist? With Gravity Maze, the answer is a resounding yes. Take the leap, embark on the adventure and watch minds grow, one marble at a time.